Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Baba Bayty Science Lab.
And here we're going to tell you science is super fun and super easy.
So son,
Let's have fun.
so what we are doing today?
Then I'm going to show them some very easy science experiments. The first experiment I'm going to do is lighting a candle without touching. For this we need a candle and a matchbox. First, light up a candle. Then you blow it. Now watch this. Now watch this in slow-mo on your screen.
Okay, and guys, this is happening because of the hot molecules within the smoke. They catches the fire and put it on a thread.
Next experiment I'm going to show you is spinning picture illusion. For this we need a pencil, a marker, piece of paper and a glue. First draw something on the paper on both sides. See, I have drawn something on both sides. This is a car and this is a kind of road. Fold this. Now take pencil and put the glue on the sides. Then put the pencil inside the fold. It must be in the middle. Can you see a car on the one side and the road on the other side? I'll put the car on the road.
Now this is happening because of the fast moving pictures. Okay, that was nice. Okay, so what we're
The
doing
next
next?
experiment I'm going to show you is rising water. For this we need a plate, glass, a coin, and a matchbox, and some colored water. First we take a matchstick. You break it from the bottom. You break it from the bottom like this. Then take a plate and place it in the middle. Put the coin as a weight so it keeps on standing. Now put the colored water in the plate. First, light up the matchstick, then watch this. And you place the glass over it. See, the water is rising. Did you see the water rising?
There you go. That was very good. Guys, this happens because when you put a glass over the fire, it forms a seal, and the oxygen within the glass, it burns off, it sucks the water in, so the water rises. So if you like our video,
Please like, subscribe and share.
thank you. See you next time. Bye bye. High five.